We're excited to introduce our new app. Download it now in your app store by searching Transit. We're going to show you how to use the app for trip planning and real-time tracking. Start by searching Transit in your app store. Once you see the Transit app, download that and wait for it to open. Once you've opened the app, it will ask you for permission to your location. Allow this for the most accurate information. Now you will see all the routes near you, but let's stop and look at this blue banner. Here you're seeing that Transit is now the official Sun Tran app. From here, you can choose to change your icon to the Sun Tran logo. Now the icon on your home page will be changed to the Sun Tran logo. Whenever you open the app, you will see all the transit lines that are available to you. You will also see the real-time waves that are located next to the minutes, indicating when that route will arrive. When you swipe on the route, you will see the different directions that the route will go in. You can also click on any route to see more info, like where the route goes, how far away it is, and the scheduled time. Plan a trip by tapping on that purple search bar. From here, you can type in your destination. We're typing in the Tucson Mall. Once we hit search, we'll see all the routes that are available to us to get to that destination. We can also make selections to change the time we leave at and see those options. And we can also choose to search by the arrival time. Here you'll see all those options as well. When we select our route and press go, we will now receive audio and visual directions. Be sure to allow tracking and notifications to get the most accurate information. Now you know how to trip plan and go with the new Sun Tran app. We hope you enjoy it.